Ever felt lost in the world of investing, unsure which account is the right fit for your goals? You're not alone. Choosing the right brokerage account is a crucial first step in your investment journey, and with so many options available, it can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Questrade, a popular Canadian online brokerage, to break down the different account types they offer. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of each account and be equipped to make an informed decision about which one aligns with your specific needs. Now, why is choosing the right account so important? Think of it like choosing the right tool for a job. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a light bulb, right? Similarly, using the wrong investment account can lead to unnecessary fees, tax complications, or limitations on your investment strategies. Different accounts offer different features, tax advantages, and investment options, so understanding these differences is key to maximizing your returns. Questrade, known for its competitive pricing and diverse offerings, provides a range of accounts catering to various investor profiles. Let's start with the most common one, the Tax-Free Savings Account, or TFSA. This account is a registered investment account that allows your investments to grow tax-free. That means any capital gains, dividends, or interest earned within the TFSA are not taxed, even when you withdraw them. This makes it a powerful tool for long-term savings and investments. The contribution room for a TFSA is determined annually by the Canadian government, and any unused contribution room can be carried forward to future years. This flexibility makes the TFSA a great option for both beginners and experienced investors. Next up, we have the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP. This account is designed specifically for retirement savings. Contributions to an RRSP are tax-deductible, meaning they reduce your taxable income in the year you contribute. This can result in a significant tax refund. However, withdrawals from an RRSP are taxed as income, so it's best suited for long-term retirement savings. The idea is that you'll be in a lower tax bracket during retirement, making the tax burden on withdrawals less significant. Like the TFSA, there are annual contribution limits for RRSPs based on a percentage of your earned income, and unused contribution room can be carried forward. Now, let's talk about margin accounts. Unlike TFSAs and RRSPs, margin accounts are non-registered, meaning they don't offer any specific tax advantages. However, they provide access to margin, which is essentially borrowed money from the brokerage. This allows you to leverage your investments, potentially amplifying your returns. But it's crucial to understand that leverage also amplifies losses. Using margin carries significant risk, and it's essential to have a solid understanding of how it works before using it. Margin accounts are generally more suitable for experienced investors who understand the risks involved. Questrade also offers Registered Education Savings Plans, or RESPs. These accounts are designed to help you save for a child's post-secondary education. Contributions to an RESP are eligible for the Canada Education Savings Grant, or CESG, which provides a matching grant of 20% on the first $2,500 contributed annually, up to a lifetime maximum of $7,200 per beneficiary. This makes RESPs a very attractive option for parents looking to save for their children's future education. The investment growth within an RESP is also tax-free, and when the beneficiary starts post-secondary education, withdrawals are taxed in their hands, which is often at a lower tax rate. Another account type offered by Questrade is the Registered Disability Savings Plan, or RDSP. This account is designed to help individuals with disabilities save for their long-term financial security. Contributions to an RDSP are eligible for the Canada Disability Savings Grant, or CDSG, and the Canada Disability Savings Bond, or CDSB, which provide matching grants and bonds based on the beneficiary's family income. Like RESPs, the investment growth within an RDSP is tax-free, and withdrawals are taxed in the beneficiary's hands. Beyond these core accounts, Questrade also offers corporate accounts for businesses looking to invest. These accounts can be tailored to meet the specific needs of different types of businesses, offering flexibility and various investment options. The tax implications for corporate accounts are more complex and depend on the specific structure of the business, so it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor or accountant. Now, you might be wondering, which account is right for me? Well, that depends on your individual circumstances and financial goals. If you're looking for tax-free growth and flexibility, the TFSA is a great option. If you're focused on long-term retirement savings and want to reduce your current tax burden, the RRSP is a good choice. If you're saving for a child's education, the RESP is highly beneficial. If you or a loved one has a disability, the RDSP can provide valuable financial support. And if you're an experienced investor comfortable with risk, a margin account might be suitable. It's important to remember that you can hold multiple account types simultaneously. For example, you could have a TFSA for short to medium-term goals, an RRSP for retirement, and an RESP for your child's education. Diversifying your savings across different accounts can be a smart strategy to achieve various financial objectives. Questrade also provides various tools and resources to help you manage your accounts and make informed investment decisions. Their platform offers research tools, educational materials, and customer support to assist you along your investment journey. Remember to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan that aligns with your specific needs and risk tolerance. Choosing the right investment account is a crucial step in building a secure financial future. By understanding the different account types offered by Questrade, you can make informed decisions and maximize your investment potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.